Yeah, welcome back once again. This is on chain mode, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add a line chart into your IQ options trading app. Okay, so watch this video to the end so that you understand every bit of what I am going to show you right here. So the first thing to do is to register the app. If you don't have it, go ahead. I'll be dropping the link at the video description. Go ahead and register with the app, and then after registering, you can complete your KYC. In case you want to start trading real account, just go ahead and complete your KYC for you to have full access in the deposit and withdrawal of your money. But quickly, to enable a line chart or activate your line chart, come over to this where this little scissors is pointing right here. You click on it. Then as soon as you click on it, it's going to bring out this. You can see those things that it has loaded out. Just go ahead. These are the various line charts you can find right here. So in case you want to see more of them, just swipe the button right to the left. All right, you can see I've swiped it right to the left. These are all the various line charts you can see. We have the trend line chart, we have the horizontal line chart, we also have the vertical line chart right here. You can see the vertical line chart, the horizontal line chart, and the trend line. So once you are working with trend lines or the market is trending, you can use these particular trend lines right here to predict your market. So in order for you to enable it, just click on it. Okay, just tap on, let's say for example I want to enable my horizontal line. Just tap on it. Okay, you tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on it, it's going to bring out options for you to select how you want it to appear on the screen. So if you select this particular one right here, it means you want it to appear like a very tiny line. All right, and then if you select this middle one right here, it means that you want it to appear like a medium. The width of the line is going to appear like a kind of medium size. All right, but I personally like setting it in this thicker option here. This one here, if you select this one, is going to show like a kind of thick line that you can be seeing every time in the chart. All right, so just go ahead. After I'll just click on it to select it, and then go ahead and click on apply now. Okay, as soon as you hit that apply button, you can see the line has just appeared on the screen. So this is how you add up your line. And then in case you want to delete the line chart, still the same process. Just head over to this particular section again. You click on it. All right, sorry, you click on that scissors line. Okay, you click on that particular place that I told you earlier on. Then you come over to this particular place and click on these active tools. Here you can see all the available active tools that are in your chart right here. So by clicking on these active tools, it's going to tell you that in case you've enabled any line chart or trend line chart or any other chart, if you click on these active tools, you are going to be seeing them all. Okay, so what you have to do to delete them now, just go ahead and click on this particular place where you see right here. You can click on it, or you can clear all the charts, all the active lines that are in your screen by tapping on that clear all, and then you head over to where you have this confirm that you want to clear it out from your chart. Okay, you hit it and then you tap on your screen. You can see here now that it's the trend line has disappeared. Same thing if you want to add your other lines, you can follow the same process to add them. So if this video was very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more videos. See you in the next video.